Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Mom, should we start?
Oh,
Mommy, thank you.
thank God.
Bye. Mommy, thank you.
Thank God.
Mommy, thank you.
Thank God. Oh, yeah.
Mommy,
Go on.
bye-bye.
Bye. Go and eat. Okay.
Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Our modern Sunday rice is ready. Start coming with your plates because it's about to go down. Yummy, yummy. What are you waiting for? I beg, bring your plate. Oh, no, sir, I no invite you.
Nights, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just
People should eat fast. Let's go. This what?
Sunday. Motherhood Sunday.
two hearts running wild.
Oi.
So let me just turn your face. Let me show something.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Hi fam, mom of three beautiful girls that is expecting her fourth child. On this day we are preparing onion sauce. Hey, yes, so this is what baby say he or she wants to eat, and I say okay, no wahala, let's make it so yummy. And of course we'll be adding small tomatoes because I can't eat only onion, even though baby say I want to eat onion, so I just like small tomato. I like to add my pepper. This pepper can be very peppery but has nice aroma. I stirred, and at this point the aroma was just choking. I added only salt and one seasoning cube. My dear, is this going with rice oil? To everyone that has been liking, commenting, sharing and following our page, you see, this is for you. Please come over, let's work together. So come here. So all of you will eat together and put the whole thing. I know you don't really like yam, so if you finish I add more.
Okay.
So yeah, carry on, go and eat. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. That the yam is too much. How is this yam too much for 3 persons? Because you don't like yam, so for that the yam is too much. The sauce, is it not sweet?
Yeah.
Mom, do you like the sauce? You don't like the sauce? Come on, and you're eating it.
But I don't know I like it.
Is it pepperish? Hi fam, what do you call this? I call it oha soup. Are you in the group of people that call it ohara? Ola. Whichever one is okay. This my daughter, eh? As far as food is concerned, nothing concern her. Anyone will come, she will just talk for her mouth. And that's one thing I love about her. She doesn't select food, she eats. Not like my other two daughters, especially my first daughter that doesn't like soup. But if you see this one, she no send, she go chop as long as send her food and the food sweet. So this is rice and vegetable sauce. I push carry and go and eat.
Thank you, mommy.
Alright, go and eat. Thank God. Thank God.
Thank you.
Thank God. Keep sweet and eat food. Keep sweet. Come on, eat food. Look at it. Like that.